I would like to present you the key features of the HS166 360 to 380 watts 120M solar module series developed by Horay Solar. These highly productive modules with conversion efficiency of up to 20.5% adopt various advanced technologies: half cells architecture, PERC technology, large size cells and multi-bus bars design. Half cells architecture provides higher power output, reduced resistant losses and lower risk of hotspots and microcracks. Large 166mm monocrystalline cells allow the modules to generate up to 380 watts, making them a great choice for both small and large-scale projects. PERC technology additionally improves cells' light capturing ability and reduces electron recombination, resulting in higher efficiency and better performance. Multi-bus bar design with 9 bus bars in these improves efficiency by reduction of internal resistance losses, which are decreased due to shorter distance between the bus bars. Stable power output is ensured by positive power sorting. Rated power of these modules only extends to positive deviations, up to 3% of rated output. Robust design with highly corrosion-resistant anodized aluminium frame, low iron-tempered glass and IP68 protected junction box ensures high mechanical strength with wind loads of up to 2,400 Pascal and snow loads of up to 5,400 Pascal. Systems voltage for these is 1,500 volts, which offers you a benefit of balance of system cost reduction. Certifications for the product include IEC 61215 and 61730 by TÜV European CE and Chinese CQC. In warranty terms, we offer 10 years product warranty and linear performance warranty for 10 and 25 years of 90% and 80% of power output respectively. Our payment options include 30% prepayment with the rest before shipping. For shipping, we packed 30 modules per pallet with 832 pieces in a 40-foot high cube container. Besides China, we also have local warehouses in Malaysia and Rotterdam. Our customer service will be happy to provide full technical support during the whole process, including before and after sales service, such as troubleshooting, performing PV production calculations, evaluating specifications, optimizing product performance, and so on. Horay Solar is a dedicated photovoltaic industry company focusing on the R&D, production and sales of solar cells, modules and power systems. We have innovative, fully automated assembly lines with annual output capacity of up to 500 megawatts, expert production crew, experienced management, and excellent customer support team. Besides headquarters and production facilities in mainland China, in 2019 we established a branch solar modules manufacturing factory in Malaysia, especially focusing on the North American market. Strict and thorough testing and quality control, along with adherence to international certification standards, allowed us to reach the industry-leading levels. We need to protect the environment for our future. Let's cooperate to make a good living and create a green homeland for everyone.